Okay, today is January 7th, 2018. I am in Lexington, Kentucky, or around there, doing a hike out at Ravens Run Nature Sanctuary. I think that's the name of it. But anyway, it's about 25 degrees out here right now. A little bit chilly, but seems to be a pretty interesting hike out in the woods. So we'll try to do a little video of this, and we'll just go from there, see what we can find out here. I don't know if you can see it, but the entire creek down here is frozen. Looks really pretty. I think on up here we'll get closer to it, we'll get a shot of it. Let's go check it out. Okay, I have to say I'm really liking this hike so far. You're out in the woods, there's a frozen creek down there, and this outlook that I'm walking towards right now is supposed to take you to an overlook of the Kentucky River. So I don't know how far out through here it is. We'll see when I get out here. Probably should know that before I head it out. But anyway, really pretty hike, perfect weather. Let's go. This seems to be a very well-maintained trail as well. Lots of little bridges, nice path. Everything looks really nice and clean. No trash anywhere, so that's really nice. It's definitely going to be a trail that we put on the list of hikes to do regularly here in Kentucky. Let's keep going. Okay, so this seems to be the lookout point on the Kentucky River. So let's go up here and check it out, see what it looks like. So here I am on the lookout point, looking over the Kentucky River. It's a pretty spot. You can just see from the extremely cold temperatures that we've had that there is a lot of ice here. I mean, it's just absolutely beautiful out here right now. I mean, look at this. So I just witnessed a lady fall on the ice down there. She's laying right over there. I mean, you got to be so careful walking across those rocks. They were coming from over there on the other side, so they crossed over it, and she was coming back, and she took a pretty nasty spill. They seem to be okay, but she's still down. Of course, I asked them if they needed help or anything, but not much I can do out here, you know, of course. But you definitely got to be careful.